The GUT matrix is a very simple and accessible concept of prioritizing projects. You can have visibility on which initiatives must be done, ensuring that you are executing those that will really bring more results to the business. It can be used in the most diverse areas within organizations and in all segments. You and your team will have a better interpretation of each case, in addition to carrying out possible solutions in the most efficient way. This spreadsheet is recommended for those who want better quality management. It can be used in the most diverse areas within organizations and in all segments. First, you must register the problems and action plans, and then based on this determine each step of the next steps, such as severity, urgency, trend, start date, expected completion in days, and determine who is responsible. The responsible parties are also registered in advance. The spreadsheet automatically generates a report of the items with all their details sorted in descending order. It is possible to draw up action plans to solve problems and drive actions that are being carried out correctly. Details. Simple spreadsheet, no need to know Excel to be able to use it. Full spreadsheet has everything you need in cash flow with real and designed views. Automatic, printable reports and decision-ready graphics. Functional, with initial dashboard to help with decision-making. This was our GUT Matrix Excel worksheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.